Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this T-Mobile. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System. After that, you need to select Languages and Input. Click on On-Screen keyword over here, and then tap on Gbird. Lastly, tap on Text Correction. Scroll down just a bit and select this blue switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is disabled. If you wish to enable it, you can do that by clicking on the same no gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!